Hello and welcome everyone, and I'm back with a new video. And in today's video I'll be sharing with you some easy DIY Diwali decor ideas that you can do at home. So yes, make sure to watch this video till the end. So guys, for decorating our diya, here I am using this gold spray paint. Obviously this spray paint is completely optional, you can use any color that you wish to take. And here's how my diya turned out to be. Then for decorating my diya, I am using very common and random things. So like acrylic paints and a very thin and fine brush. So yeah, making very random designs, and you can go with any designs. Obviously no need to follow the same one. So just make any design, any random one that you wish to make. So guys, you can see how beautiful my diya is looking, and I made one more of it because I really loved that design. So yeah, I made one more of that, and I made that same kind of with orange color with another diya. So for my next DIY, I'm using this tea light candle which I bought recently. Then for decorating it, I'm using rhinestone stickers, washi tapes or paper tapes, and you can obviously go with glitter tapes, and you need is a pair of scissors. Then simply I'll take my rhinestone stickers and stick it to my candle. You can use any kind of stones or stickers, beads, whatever you wish to use. And here with rhinestone stickers, I'll also use my washi tapes. I decorated all the tea light candles which I was having, and here you can see how beautiful they are looking, and the end look up. For our third DIY, you'll need is a glass jar. I'm using this old Nescafe jar that I was already having and stored it. Then you'll need is some glass colors. I'm using these Fevicryl glass colors, as you can see here. You can either buy them or use some random colors. So yeah, one thing to tell you, you cannot use any acrylic paint or any other kind of paint except of glass colors, because as we are making candle, the rest colors will not reflect light. So I'll simply color my glass jar with all the random colors that I was having. So for decorating the upper portion of our jar, I'm using a yellow ribbon which I was having. So you can use any color or even paint that or stick any kind of lace or something. But as I was not having that, I used this ribbon. So that's how it turned out, and this end look up. So either you can put your candle directly inside your jar, but I thought of adding water to my jar and then using that candle as it, just to have a look of floating candle. And yeah, this turned out to be really pretty, and yes, all the colors which we did here are gonna be reflected down on your flat surface. As you can see here, the color is reflected this side. So lastly, for making lantern, you'll need is cotton bud, A4 paper, oil, Fevicol and some paper hearts that you can cut out from a black sheet, and I recommend to use a black paper instead of using any other colors because that would be the best. Then you can just frame them out how you have to place it like I have done, and then simply stick them with the help of glue. I stick all of them together on my paper sheet, and then I'm using this oil and cotton bud, like I'm dipping my cotton bud in that oil to make such drops. And obviously your oil is completely optional, just to give your lantern a realistic look and a better one. So I'm using this oil. Then you simply need to apply some glue at the end side and stick both of the ends together. So with this we can easily make our DIY paper lantern, and the best thing I like about this is using a very less amount of materials. And just one thing that I have to share with you about this video, that all the DIYs I made here for Diwali are very simple and easy, and I used all the materials which are gonna be available at your home and also available at my home. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click the red subscribe button if you haven't till yet.